In Kashi, there is a belief that Ganga is a goddess who serves the ambrosia of life. Westerners and foreigners call this the divine elixir. We Indians also consider the water of Mother Ganges the divine elixir of life. Taking a bath in Mother Ganges heals a person both physically and mentally. River Ganga has an aura of its own. Among the many tributaries, the river Ganga flowing at Kashi has a unique personality and is called Mother Ganges by the people of Kashi and India. Doubts have been expressed regarding the sanctity, unique purity, and the healing power of Mother Ganga. In our culture, the rivers of Ganga, Saraswati, Narmada, Sindhu, and Kaveri are reverentially invited into our holy vessels used for the daily rituals and puja. The Britishers carried only the water from Ganges in their ships for their return journey to England, as this water of Mother Ganga remained fresh and sweet for 3 months. In 1896, the British bacteriologist Ernst Hankin proved that the Ganga water had antibacterial properties. In 1917, a French microbiologist discovered the healing elements in the Ganga water and named it bacteriophage. But due to the ignorance and greed, many people have contaminated the waters of Mother Ganga with factory waste and harmful chemicals without knowing the divine qualities of Ganges River. Fortunately, it is very heartening to know that sincere measures are being taken to clean up the waters of our holy mother Ganges. All the Shushumna Kriya yogis began splitting into small batches and with pure thoughts and intentions and being fully aware of the purity, sanctity, and the power of Mother Ganga set out to bathe in the river. Volunteers of Shushumna Kriya Yoga Foundation were always with us and were guiding us constantly. Earlier, when we went to bathe in the holy river Ganges, we used to notice only the unhygienic conditions all around the river and would take bath in the water as a formality. But this time, having understood the importance that Mataji has emphasized, our feelings and intentions, our perspective and mental attitude towards the river and its water changed completely. We took flowers, turmeric, and vermilion for Mother Ganga's puja, engaged a boat, and visited bathing ghats and crossed over to the other side of the river. We put our bags on the sand, bowed down to Mother Ganges, and stepped into the holy river. Chandramohan Garu, a renowned movie actor who normally would not go to any pilgrim centers except for his movie shootings, instantly agreed to visit Kashi because Lord Shiva was their ancestral deity. We prepared a Shivlingam with the sand on the banks of the river and worshipped it by sprinkling Ganga water, anointed the lingam with flowers, turmeric, and vermilion, and after completing the puja, we immersed the Shivlinga in the Mother Ganga. We were all brimming with divine bliss and ecstasy. We chanted mantra while bathing and offered divine energy to the holy river by reciting the Ganga mantra and also took the holy dip with utmost devotion. This thrilling experience of having the holy bath in Mother Ganges will remain etched in our minds forever.